Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic CadDirect tutorial how to draw art. As example, I will create a rectangle with a dimension 100 and 100. Now if you want to draw art in inside of this rectangle object, you can click this art icons or you can type art, press enter. Now you need to specify for the start point. I will click in here, second point, and the last the third point. I will click at this point. So it will be automatically create the art. You also can use art tools by ends and radius. You can type art, press enter, and I will click start from this point. Now we can choose end option, click in here. Now we can set radius by clicking this radius option. You can set radius, like I will set radius into 60, and you can press enter. Okay, that's it for basic CadDirect tutorial how to draw art. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.